Welcome back to Garrison Rock. Today we are out here to talk about another spring blooming flower called Jack in the Pulpit. And Jack in the Pulpit gets its name for a very simple reason, and that is because the flower, while it's green and not very showy, if you flip up the top of this flower, you will see the preacher at the pulpit inside. So it kind of hides in there, but the insects will still find it to get to the nectar. And Jack in the Pulpit has one or two leaves. In this case it has two, and each leaf has 3 leaflets. So these are not 3 separate leaves. This is 1 leaf, 3 leaflets. I do not recommend eating Jack in the Pulpit because I know everyone always asks, can I eat these plants? Jack in the Pulpit contains calcium oxalate, which from what I read, burns like needles if you eat it raw. Native Americans ate the bulb once in a while, but they had to dry it or cook it before it was edible. And sometimes still, some of those burning properties are in that plant. In early medicine, it was used to treat sores of the mouth, congestion, fever, and a lot of other ailments. But as far as medicinal purposes today, there's really not much. So the good part about this plant is its beauty. It's going to enjoy living in areas just like this, a nice moist woodland area on a slope that gets a lot of sunlight and will help it grow quickly. The berries are eaten by deer and other animals once they've flowered, but again, not by humans. And then this color, mostly green, and then some color inside of that flower to attract those animals. So the stripes, that kind of purplish color in there, covering Jack in the Pulpit. As always, I just say, get outside, take a walk. These are some crazy times that we're in, and nature is going to offer you a little bit of enjoyment, like those woodpeckers are right behind us, the warblers are singing. You never know what you're going to come across out in nature, so go out, take a walk. I don't care if you're morel hunting, just get outside, check out the Jack in the Pulpit, everything else that's coming up right now. Until next week, enjoy some time outside.